How to fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time error on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for appleid.apple.com. Here you will see the sign in button. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your Apple ID and the password. And you should be able to sign in. Just in case if you are still unable to sign in, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your device further. Next, go back to General and tap on the Date and Time option and make sure the Set Automatically Toggle button is toggled on. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, open Settings again and tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. And by now, you should be able to create your Apple ID. So, this is how you can fix Apple ID cannot be created at this time error on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.